Hi, I'm Fabi from Bauer Woodworks, and today I show you how I made the Izitsu Zugi pattern. And I promise it's way easier to make than to pronounce it.
Alright, here's what you need. You will need the grid pieces and the pieces for the small squares. They both have simple half-lap joints, and the pieces for the small diagonals. For the guide blocks, you only need a 45-degree jig. The grid pieces should fit together easily. If you don't know how to make the grid pieces or the strips yet, don't worry, I will have a video for that soon. As soon as it is out, you will find it on the top right. The small squares are assembled the same way as the grid. Now you can leave the ends of the square pieces within 90 degree, but I do prefer to round over the edges with a 45 degree. Here you can see the difference, and I think the 45 degree gives it a more elegant look. To give the pieces the chamfers, I set up the jig so the top corner sticks out just a bit. I make my cuts from both sides. And on the other end as well. If you enjoy my video, you can make me really happy and subscribe to my channel. I have some cool how-to and project videos coming next. For the first end of the diagonals, I set up my 45-degree jig and make the cuts for all diagonals. Now the second end for the diagonals is the crucial part in this pattern. I haven't found a way to mark or measure the length for the pieces for the diagonals yet, so I just kind of eyeball the length for the pieces. As you can see, it's a little bit too long, so I readjust the jig and make it a bit shorter. And try again. Now that I have the right length, I will make the cuts for the other pieces. And there you go. Pretty easy, huh?
Thanks for watching the video. I really like this pattern. I hope you do too. If you want to give another pattern a try the Asa Noah pattern. I have a video for it as well. I'll link it up for you somewhere here. Also note that on my website I have kits for both of these patterns. That includes all the parts cut roughly to size, the grid as well as the guide blocks. There you also find a lot of articles about Kumiko and certain aspects of Kumiko, like choosing the right wood, what patterns are out there, etc. So feel free to check that out. See you next time.